Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Alienware Aurora R12. An epic computer deserves an epic unboxing. So in honor of May the 4th,
out of all the gaming computers that I've reviewed, this one is the first with a box design worth highlighting. So subtle from far away, but up close you can see some cool reflective designs on all 6 sides of the box. Really great first impression. So we've got a simple basic power cable in this top box. I didn't get a keyboard from Dell, but stick around for the really cool keyboard and mouse that I got from Amazon. And there she is. Beautiful.
wow, she's a beaut. Got some vents there on the top. It's got beautiful graphics there on the side. You got vents there on the other side.
Then on the front we've got the Alienware power button, 3 USB 3.2 ports, and a USB 3.2 Type-C, then your headphone and microphone jack. Surrounding all of this is a really cool ring that acts as another massive air intake for extra cooling. And here's the back with all the ports, our digital audio out ports, 6 USB 2.0 ports, and an Ethernet jack. We've got a USB 3.2 and a USB 3.2 Type-C. These two are Gen 2s with power share, and these are regular USB 3.2s. Then we've got your surround sound outputs for side speakers, rear speakers, and then your microphone, your line out, and your line in. Then we've got your power input, 3 display ports, and an HDMI port, and these 2 locks you'll need to flip up in order to move this when you open the box. Now let's open it up and take a look at the internals. Just need to use a Phillips head screwdriver on this part.
Wow, look at that.
Here we've got our liquid-cooled CPU and our DDR4 RAM. We just got 32 gigabytes, but you can fit up to 128 in there. Then down here is our GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card. Let's go ahead and take that out and take a look at it. It's got some nice weight to it. Right here you got your GPU fans. Then on the other side your 3 display ports and an HDMI port.
And this, my friends, is an awesome gaming keyboard from Amazon. It has over 25,000 reviews. I'm actually super excited to check this out. Red Dragon Gaming Essentials. Little standard USB. You can see it looks pretty basic without any of the lights turned on, but let's see what this looks like in the dark. And you've got your big instruction booklet, and then here's your mouse. That is sleek. Look at that. That's a cool looking mouse. But that doesn't mean that it performs well, so we'll see. She's a beaut. For reference, here's the Alienware M17 R3. You can see it just dwarfs it. Man, they look great together. Might just have to keep both. Alright, the moment of truth. That's pretty. That's beautiful. You can see my mouse is already glowing. Keyboard's glowing all cool. That's kind of hard to see. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Here's what the mouse looks like. That's pretty. Second keyboard layout, skip. Accept.
I'm really liking this keyboard. Feels pretty good. Pretty decent key travel.
Choose privacy settings for your device. Accept. Customize your device. Gaming. Creativity. Entertainment. Use your phone from your PC. Remind me later. Back up your files with OneDrive. To PC right now. No thanks. Discover your next favorite game. No thanks. Let Cortana help you get things done. Not now. Alienware updates. United States. Hi. We're getting everything ready for you. New legendary experiences. Let's get you started. Remind me later. My Alienware. Alienware Aurora R12. Alienware Command Center. Adjust my lighting. Then we've got some of our custom lighting settings. I'm gonna go to all zones. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, red looks nice too. Look at that. Purple in there. Orange. Green. You can adjust your brightness. Ooh, I like that blue. Maybe just a little brighter. We got some themes here. We can morph. Color 1, red, pink, blue. See, it's pulsing now. It's pretty cool. Pulse. Ooh, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. That's pretty cool. Breathing. Ooh, nice. I like that. The Alienware logo there on the side. Spectrum. Ooh, I bet that's everything. Oh man, that looks so cool. Function home lets you cycle between the different colors. Then function up arrow and down arrow lets you adjust the brightness of it. Function insert does a breathing spectrum. That's pretty cool. Then function left and right arrow lets you adjust the speed of whatever effect you're doing. Function end cycles through the spectrum. That's pretty cool. That looks really nice. And for the super hardcore gamers that like to stand up,
This sit-to-stand desk has been treating me really well for about 6 months now. Love it.
and then I got Logitech Z130s for my speakers. So I wasn't trying to get the best of the best speakers, I just needed something for demonstration for this video. Normally I just use headphones, but just got the cheap Z130s. If you like this video, if you could just give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned next week for our full review of this amazing gaming machine, where we do full speed tests, gaming benchmarks, sound tests, fan noise tests, and a bunch of other things that you're going to need to know before purchasing this extremely powerful, yet somewhat expensive gaming machine. The full review video is going to be released exactly 1 week from today, so make sure to drop a comment or question below so that I can address anything specifically that you want to see in that next video. Guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because every week I do a giveaway that randomly selects someone who's interacted with my channel. And the winner this week is...
Jose Samar.
Boom!
Aiming down your sights significantly improves accuracy. Nice job.
This is
Points
really
for every
smooth.
zombie you kill. Looks
Oh,
like
snap.
this zombie's torn its way through your defenses. You better show it.
Whoa.
See? Work for it.
Not today.
Hurry up with that acid bomb. Nice
See
and
ya.
messy. This one's a
Whoa.
zombie. Yeah, they can be a bit exploding.
Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.